Are you looking to sell innovative AI products? Follow my steps and start now! Prepare to embark on an exploration of the digital product landscape, guided by the expertise of Profitability Plus. We are committed to providing you with a comprehensive guide to various digital product creation strategies step by step. Let's dive straight into the heart of the matter. We are about to unveil a carefully curated list of digital product opportunities that have yet to reach their full potential. Stay with us as we systematically guide you through the intricacies of creating these products using the power of AI. Get ready for some illuminating insights. Picture this scenario. You open your Etsy store and conduct a search for Good Notes stickers. The results page reveals a staggering 500,000 listings, a fiercely competitive landscape indeed. However, our strategy involves a precise refinement. The search for Good Notes stickers unveils a less saturated market. The presence of 100,000 listings may seem overwhelming, but fret not. We have a plan in store. Good Notes stickers, essentially PNG images that enhance the note-taking experience on the Good Notes app, serve as our starting point. Our approach is grounded in rigorous research, validating their current market performance. One listing, in particular, stands out, generating a substantial $1,400 per month in revenue, with smaller counterparts consistently earning around $400. Nevertheless, breaking into a niche boasting 100,000 competitors can be a formidable challenge for newcomers. This is where the space key method comes into play, allowing us to target sub-niches with lower competition levels. As your exploration deepens, the competitive landscape gradually recedes. The secret to crafting these stickers using AI lies within our toolkit, ChatGPT and Midjourney. These AI companions automate the creative process and facilitate the development of captivating illustrations. Imagine desiring school-related stickers. Begin by requesting ChatGPT to compile a list of school-related topics, selecting your preferred one, and soliciting sticker concepts based on it. We've already executed the groundwork, presenting a collection of sticker ideas. Midjourney assumes center stage as you craft prompts and generate illustrations. The icing on the cake? ChatGPT can formulate prompts with a single click, streamlining your workflow. Now, let's delve further into the art of creating phone wallpapers. Picture this. You've chosen the niche, whether it's motivational quotes or breathtaking landscapes. ChatGPT has already provided you with quotes and illustration ideas. With these at your disposal, it's time to bring your vision to life. Open Canva and choose a canvas size suitable for phone wallpapers. Remember, presentation matters. Ensure that your design is visually appealing and aligned with your chosen niche. When it comes to educational posters, your approach should be nothing short of professional. Dive into the world of educational content, be it science, history, or art. ChatGPT can assist in generating informative content and creative ideas for visuals. Use this knowledge to craft engaging and visually striking posters. Canvas design tools will be your canvas, allowing you to structure your content in a clear and compelling manner. Now, let's revisit the realm of printable bookmarks. These little gems have a vast market potential. After you've used ChatGPT to describe your chosen image, the next step is to enhance it. Canva's user-friendly interface lets you modify your bookmarks effortlessly. You can experiment with different fonts, colors, and layouts to make your bookmarks stand out. Remember, the devil is in the details, so ensure that your design reflects the essence of the image described. Affirmation cards hold immense appeal, but crafting them efficiently is key. We've discussed ChatGPT's role in generating content, but let's dig deeper into the bulk creation process. Once you have your codes, create a base template in Canva. Experiment with fonts and styles to maintain consistency throughout your card designs. The bulk creation method we introduced earlier is a time saver. Imagine generating dozens of affirmation cards in a fraction of the time it would take manually. Lastly, let's explore the world of printable travel planners. Your competitors may have set the bar high, but with the right strategy, you can outshine them. Begin by thoroughly analyzing your competitors' listings. Understand their strengths and weaknesses, and identify areas where you can excel. Canvas templates provide a solid foundation for your planner's design, but don't hesitate to customize them to match your unique style. Are you ready to transform your concepts into AI-fueled stickers? Continue watching to witness your creations materialize. We trust your excitement matches ours because the upcoming revelation promises a potential windfall of over $13,000, and it's only a few clicks away. Before we unveil this gem, let's explore a swift and straightforward creation, achievable in under 5 minutes. Phone wallpapers. Select your niche. Let's say we opt for affirmation wallpapers. ChatGPT will present codes and illustration concepts, while Canva support, you can swiftly translate them into striking wallpapers. It's a quicker process than you might imagine. Stay tuned and we'll unveil the secrets to crafting professional phone wallpapers with ease. Our journey proceeds to educational posters. Akin to the success we encountered with flashcards in a previous venture, Etsy listings are thriving, with one soaring to an impressive $10,000 in revenue. We will guide you through the complete process from idea generation to the creation of visually captivating educational posters. Have you ever explored the realm of printable bookmarks? This treasure trove of low-competition opportunities is remarkably easy to harness. We have a unique method at your disposal. Simply capture an image you find appealing and allow ChatGPT to eloquently describe it. Then, leverage Canva's versatile templates to breathe life into your bookmark designs. Stay tuned for the forthcoming revelation, where we will demonstrate how to produce hundreds of printable affirmation cards in mere minutes. Bid adieu to the time-consuming task of crafting sentences manually. ChatGPT is your trusted ally. Additionally, we will introduce a time-saving technique for bulk creation of these cards. Last but not least, we present the Printable Travel Planner, an arena marked by low competition and tremendous potential. We will navigate you through a meticulous analysis of your competitors' strategies, the development of an appealing planner structure, and the utilization of Canva's pre-designed templates to craft an irresistible product. Brace yourself for the prospect of building a thriving business around this venture. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. Always remember, patience is the cornerstone of success. Stay tuned for more expert insights from Profitability Plus.